Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to contact the customer support team at Shein. Let's begin. Please visit any of your web applications and type shein.com in the search bar at the top. This will take you to their official website. Log into your account and click on the Me section in the bottom right corner. Under More Services, tap on Support. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Customer Service. If you find articles related to your issue, feel free to click on them. If not, scroll down and type in your own text. This concludes our tutorial on how to contact customer support.